Hello everyone. Yeah, so today I thought, does anyone ever use light mode on the code editor? Yeah. So let me try it. Well, hear this. Researchers have concluded that 80% of developers are unhappy, while 20% are happy. So by doing the math, 80% is a very big number. But is it true? Now, see this. Coding has a ton of money and can really take you places. I actually came across a blog on Medium, and I quote, "Embracing and celebrating small victories in a software development career creates a positive and rewarding atmosphere, fostering joy and satisfaction in the coding process. It's about recognizing and appreciating the journey, one small win at a time." Of course, joy is in the struggle, but yeah, I think for me, I've made my joy by doing some simple stuffs like you can have straightforward code. This is something that many usually gain while they're learning the coding, but then as they get more knowledge, they start to swing away from it. But it's a really good technique to actually make your stuff go smoother. Like you can only make your code to only do the intended job and nothing more than that. You can simply use if and else statements. Yeah, you can also try to take things a little bit slow, like you write 1 or 2 lines of code and think, is it great? Can I make it better? Yeah, this can also help you plan ahead. Codes. Programmers usually fancy some things like typing fast, but these things don't really matter because you can type fast and then you're not going anywhere. You're just in a loophole where you write codes and then you delete, and you're not doing an actual job. Yeah. Okay. Let's gather together and let's play some game. Yeah. So it's a game that is called CSS Battle. Some of you might have come across it somewhere. Yeah. So I haven't played for quite a while. Basically, yeah. So this is it. Let me open it is CSS Battle. Dev. Let it load. Yeah, there we go. So we go here to battles. We have a couple of them here. Let me try and show you with this one. On the left is the code editor. Yeah, so simple. In the middle it's where your codes will be rendered. On the right is our target that you have to recreate. Yeah. So it usually starts with a box that is a div. Yeah. You can actually do this on here. I can show you how we go about it. Yeah. So here is the last score. I don't know about this. And the high score. I'm not sure about this. Colors here. When you are done, you submit using this button. Hey, today's target is so. Ooh. Hey. Well, I think that project is quite hard. So I've decided to take another one. Let's take this one. Hash to 14. Yeah, here we're going to see flex columns, and those are the main things. But apart from that, we learn something else: neatness. When your work is neat, you are halfway done. I actually saw that in Blender too. Blender, the animation making website, not website, but it's an app. It's used to make animations. If you are neat, then your work is halfway done. Yeah. So being organized is a very good thing. It's a very good thing. It really helps you to reduce that repeatedness, and making your work consistent is very easy when you're organized. You actually can become more creative when you're organized. Yeah. Don't just do. Although most people are result oriented, we can also try to be organized. Yeah. The work, the process, the goal, organized. Yeah. I hope you get me. Yeah.
Well, I've really said it like it's a very important detail.